What's up, guys? Welcome to my Eachine Tyro 99 kit review. That's right, kit. You're gonna have to build this one. Very nice, quick, easy, fast, and fun build. I've built a few quads, and fun isn't really the word that I would use to describe building a quadcopter, but the Tyro 99, I'd like to throw that word fun in there when it comes to building. Andy RC did a video, put this thing together in 10 minutes. Stu from UAV Futures, he did a 30-minute build video. I did my build while playing rounds of Fortnite, well, in between rounds of Fortnite, and 30-40 minutes later, it was done. So, you know, if you're if you've bought a few plug and plays, a few binding flies, and you're ready for your first build, for a beginner builder, this quadcopter will be pretty easy to deal with. There's no real headache involved. You know, everything fits inside the frame. The stack is fairly small. It goes in there no problem. I have my receiver right above the flight controller here, and then the antenna is coming out with the zip tie. My maiden flights are pretty careful. I don't really push the envelope too far. I basically want to get a feel for what the quad is doing, and I take mental note of any adjustments that I might need to do in beta flight. And but this was a nice smooth flight, early in the morning, and you know, at this particular point, I've got no complaints. I've had about 3 flights with it so far. Before tuning, it was a little twitchy, but after I made some adjustments in beta flight, it flies like how I would want a quadcopter to fly. So. So that'll be it. That wraps it up for my mini review. I hope you like it. Press like, subscribe, and I'll see you on another review or out in the field doing some flying.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.